Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. If you want to become a front-end web developer, learning HTML is essential. In this course, you will learn all the common HTML tags used to structure HTML pages, the skeleton of all websites. Well, you may ask, what is HTML and why should I learn it? HTML is incredibly widespread. It is primarily used by front-end web developers to style and present web content in a readable manner. If you want to be a front-end developer, this markup language should be the first one on your list. So, we can say, HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. What is HTML used for? With HTML you can create your own website. What does HTML stand for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. How can we describe HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML consists of a series of elements. As we can see here, this is very simple HTML code, to display simple heading and small paragraph. So as we can see, all HTML documents must start with a document type declaration, less than symbol, and exclamation mark, and doc type, and HTML, then greater than symbol. And then, the HTML document itself begins with less than symbol and HTML and greater than symbol and ends with less than symbol and dash symbol and HTML and greater than symbol. While the visible part of the HTML document is between less than symbol and body and greater than symbol and ends with less than symbol and dash symbol and body and greater than symbol. And that's mean, not everything we write in our code will be visible in our web page. We will talk about that later in this course. For now, let's describe the basic elements of the HTML code. The doctype HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body, and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Now let's us ask a question. What is an HTML element? And how can we define it? HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. So, we can say that the HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Here are some examples. As you can see, only the content between the start tag and the end tag will be displayed on our web page, the rest is just the definition of the HTML element, such as H1 for defining a large heading and P to defines a paragraph, as we mentioned earlier. This is the end of our lesson today. Don't get boring, it has been just an introduction. In next videos, you will be able to create a real website, and soon you will create your first real web page. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press like, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. See you soon, goodbye.